Hello! I am the Summer.
I'm Dana.
And welcome to Mates Do Stuff.
Welcome to the video, everybody.
I've just been revealed there's going to be a surprise.
We're supposed to start with welcome to Mates Do Stuff, not welcome to the video.
You're welcome to. I'll edit it in later.
Right. And the surprise that's so taken us off guard is these, which are like dolls. We both like dolls, so I figured let's have a try at these.
Fashion fidgets.
And some of these, which are make your own bracelets.
Ooh.
So that is a kind of craft. We will put them to one side for a moment while we look at these dolls.
Fancy boxes. Fashion fidgets.
Fashion fidgets. What do they do?
They look like fidget spinners on dresses.
Each doll has different fidget features. So you can pop their hair, or turn their skirts, or wiggle their heads.
My nieces used to really love this stuff. 18 to collect.
Pink bubble wrap. Nice touch.
Ooh.
The girl.
And I've got... Oh, good. We've both got different ones.
Yeah, we've both got spinny skirts.
Yeah.
We've
little
got a spinny
sort of things.
Spinny bow on the head.
Yeah, so they've both got the same feet. They've got buttons on their cheeks.
Yeah. Stars not that easy to press. Yours look easier.
They've got some like...
Stretchy rubber for hair.
Yeah, yours are curly.
Yeah.
They look nicer.
Yeah, but your buttons seem to press better.
Yeah.
These are right hard.
Yeah, I certainly think this is great for a kid.
It's an interesting fidget.
Yeah, so what have we got here? So these are the ones you've got to collect.
I would have liked to have seen the head spinny things. Head clickies. There's some...
Put this on the mat.
Oh, I quite like that design.
Yeah.
Edgy Emma.
Edgy Emma. I like the pastel colours on her. I like her as well.
She's got a button dress.
Yeah. I think there was one on the other side that I thought was pretty cute. Her. The rainbow hair.
Island Susie.
Yes.
Who have we actually got? Who's this? Oh, this one's this one. Cutie Cara.
I think I've got Sweet Style Sally.
Yeah.
But I've got a different colour skirt. She's got the same headband. And I've got pink things. And that one's got blue.
But yeah, I can't see any other skirt. Unless it's meant to be that one.
Oh, yeah.
Brilliant Brie.
Which is exactly the same as the other one. Except that one's got a white skirt.
I know, that's the confusing part. I mean, it's same hair, same thingies, pink hair, black thingies.
Blue shoes.
Blue shoes. But again, a different skirt.
Yeah, so I wonder if they all come in like weird different combinations.
Maybe they do, but this one seems to be exactly as depicted on the picture.
Yeah. She's pretty cool. I think my niece would love her.
To your niece, I've also got a niece that will probably enjoy this. Some quite good spin.
Yeah, I like. They're going, why would anybody use a fidget toy?
Fidget.
Alright, to the other thing.
The actual thing that's crafting. So these thingies, Juicy Couture, Make It Real, Make It Bracelets. Collect all 5 sets, different colours. And I believe you just make bracelets. Each dazzling surprise box makes 3 Juicy Couture bracelets.
Couture?
Yeah, fancy. Also, we do have instructions for how you make your bracelets and what knots you can use. And apparently scissors are required.
Oh, good. We've got scissors.
I think it said on here somewhere.
Will you find the rare crystal heart?
Yeah, that. Thanks.
Yeah, it's on a little tag.
I took my little tag off. So yes, can you find the rare crystal heart? I think we've got the same colours, actually. How is it that you get a mystery set and you get the same stuff?
Might be why you're on clearance.
I suppose that would be a reason. Right, so some pink string.
You're a pink string.
Only 2 of the pink. 2 beads and a thingy and Juicy.
I think you can make more than one bracelet with this.
Yeah, you can make 3, it says.
Ah!
I will only be making 1.
Yeah, I'm only going to be making 1.
Well, the instructions say that there's a few variant ways that you can do a thing. But the first thing is put your beads on the string, and then at the end, tie it with a double knot.
I like it actually. Yours goes massive over the thing.
Hey, I wanted it that way, for the pattern.
For the pattern.
Look at the pretty pattern. Blues, colour, blues, colour, blues, colour.
This would be quite a cool drunk activity.
And I've done the thing on the other thing that it mentioned.
You've already made like... You've already made like 2 bracelets in the time that it's taken me to do one.
I just put a few
And
beads
you've
on.
already been...
I wanted them to not be loose in the box. That was all.
I'm so slow. I've like done like a much smaller bracelet in the same amount of time. And I used that thingy that you're supposed to use as the closure.
Yeah.
Never
mind.
It'll be alright.
Yeah, it'll be fine. But yeah, as an activity, that's fairly okay. It's not really for me, so I'll probably give it a 6.5, somewhere around there.
I think for me, I'll give this a 5 out of 10. Just because it is the sort of thing that I'll do, and it's fun to do, and it was quite, like funky, and I like the thing. I'll give this to my niece, like just be like, put this on your wrist, and she'll be like, I'm a goth. And then I'll go to my other niece going, put this on your wrist, and she'll go, I'm a goth. I breed goths.
Do you think it was good value for money though, being at £150?
Yeah.
Pounds, UK.
£150 UK, definitely value for money, and I think it's definitely a cute stocking filler. Yeah, so we got this, and we got the fidget
The
girl.
little fidget doll.
Yeah. So
Did we rate these? I don't think we did we?
I think if my niece was a bit younger, she would absolutely love this. Especially if you're going on holiday or something like that, and like
You could attach it to your bag. It doesn't even take up space in your luggage.
So I think for a kid that's under 10, this would be an absolute, I'd say 8. But for me, I personally would put this about 5 or a 4. Because I can't see me getting another one, but it's definitely an interesting sort of gimmick.
Yeah.
I'm like, I never fidget.
Yeah, here we are fidgeting. But these were actually quite good value for money as well. These were £3 in the shop.
For £3, I'm going to go for a 5. That gets an extra point for £3.
There's a lot to fidget with you.
Yeah, that's
And
definitely
this figurine doll.
The end. Bye-bye.